Hello everyone, it's your girl Kenya Posey. Want to hop out here really quick and talk about the home buying process and what to expect. So one of the first details I want to talk about, especially my first time home buyers, if you never purchased a home, the most important thing is making sure that we have some savings and also we are credit ready. Credit ready means that we're going to have you above a 620 credit score. There are some lenders that actually take you at a 580 or below, depending on your other financial situation, your debt to income ratio. However, a lot of times we want to see you above that 620 mark, especially individuals that are looking for down payment assistance. A lot of those programs can start anywhere from probably around 640 to 660, depends on what the program is. So a lot of individuals can get that down payment assistance so they can use some of their other money for their closing costs along the way as well, because again there are going to be other expenses you're going to inquire as a home buyer during the home buying process. But one of the things let me talk about is going to be your upfront fees. So real quick, on your upfront fees, so here in the state of Nevada and Las Vegas, the general area is going to be your earnest money, your inspection, and your appraisal. Those are going to be three of the items you're going to need to do up front to purchase a home as a home buyer. Earnest money is typically anywhere between 1% of the house price. So say for instance you're under contract for a $400,000 home, usually typically earnest money can be about $4,000. And if need be, if you need to go a little lower, sometimes your agent is able to negotiate those funds for you on your behalf. And then immediately once your contract is accepted, you're going to look at doing what we call an inspection during your due diligence period. And your inspection is going to be paid directly to the inspector that you hire to come out and inspect your property. The inspector is going to look at every aspect of the home, even from your roof down to your flooring and your home and outside your house as well too. But those individuals are going to make sure that you're educated on what to look for and what to ask the seller to take care of prior to you purchasing that property. And during that due diligence period also, you're able to actually allow time for you to decide that this is going to be the right property for you. And at that time in the due diligence, you decided you're not willing to move forward with what you may have found during the inspection, or you just feel like you just want to find something else because that just wasn't the property, we have what we call due diligence period, where we can actually cancel that contract on your behalf and get your earnest money back that you put down as that 1% earnest money, or how much you put down. Then if you choose to carry on with the actual home buying process under the contract, you're then going to go into the appraisal process. Your appraisal is actually going to be ordered from your lender. So you actually going to make a payment to your lender for your actual appraisal. And appraisals right now I've been seeing it vary in different places when it comes to lenders, anywhere from $500 to $700 for the appraisal. Just make sure that when we get you connected with a lender of your choice, that you make sure you ask those questions up front as well. So again, those are the three upfront funds you must have up front before going to your closing table. Closing is where you take care of your down payment and any closing costs and any fees that's going to be affecting your transaction. So again, you guys, that is the home buying process in a nutshell when it comes to your three upfront fees as a new homeowner. You got any questions, be sure to reach out to me at 702-401-8733. This is Kenya Posey, hashtag the agent that cares.